Unraveling Idioms, Beat About the Bush, explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its quirks. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common but puzzling phrase, beat about the bush. Whether you've heard it in conversation or come across it in your readings, this idiom has a rich history and a meaning that might not be immediately obvious. So, let's get started and discover what it really means to beat about the bush. The phrase, beat about the bush, is used to describe a situation where someone is avoiding getting to the point or not addressing the main issue directly. It's often used when someone is either hesitating to say something uncomfortable or circumventing the core topic of discussion. The idea behind this expression is that instead of going straight to the heart of the matter, the person is metaphorically walking around it, not quite engaging with it directly. To truly appreciate this idiom, it helps to know where it comes from. Beat about the bush originates from hunting practices in medieval Europe. Hunters would employ beaters to flush out birds from bushes by hitting the bush, rather than going straight in to catch the birds. This method was indirect. They were literally beating around the bush before getting to the main action, which was catching the birds. This historical context gives the phrase its metaphorical meaning of avoiding direct action or discussion. Understanding how to correctly use an idiom in context can really help in mastering it. Here are a few examples to show how beat about the bush can be integrated into everyday conversation. Let's not beat about the bush. We need to discuss the issue at hand. He's been beating about the bush for hours but still hasn't asked for the raise he wants. In this meeting, please, let's not beat about the bush and get straight to the point. These examples highlight the versatility of the phrase, whether it's used in professional settings or casual conversations. Understanding idioms like beat about the bush not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural and historical nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration helps you feel more comfortable using the phrase in your own conversations and writings. Remember, language is a window into the world's collective history and culture, and every idiom has a story. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures with you. Happy learning!